Welcome back. I'm Shub, the License Nerd. Day 18 of the Flexera 1 ITAM Masterclass. Today, we're tackling SAP, the publisher with the most confusing user types and the most expensive audit penalties in enterprise software. SAP licensing is unique because it's based on named user types, and there are multiple categories, each with a different price point. A professional user costs around $3,000 to $4,500 per year. A limited professional user is about $1,500. A developer or test user is significantly less. The problem? Most organizations have users classified at the wrong level. Here's how it works. SAP audits you using the License Administration Workbench, the law report. This report pulls transaction data from your SAP system and determines what each user actually did versus what license type they're assigned. If a user classified as limited professional executed a transaction that requires a professional license, that's a compliance finding. Flexera's solution is Snow Optimizer for SAP, which came with the Snow acquisition. It's an SAP certified add-on that sits inside your SAP environment and does three critical things. First, user reclassification. It analyzes actual transaction usage over 12 months and recommends which users can be safely downgraded. In most organizations, 15 to 30% of professional users can be reclassified to limited professional based on their actual activity. That's massive savings. Second, duplicate user elimination. In large SAP landscapes with multiple systems, the same person often has accounts in multiple clients. SAP counts each as a separate named user. Snow Optimizer identifies these duplicates and consolidates them. Third, indirect access detection. This is SAP's biggest audit trigger. When external systems like Salesforce, a web portal, or a custom application read or write SAP data, those interactions may require SAP licenses, even though no human directly logged into SAP. Flexera helps you identify these indirect access points before SAP's auditors do. The law report automation is key. Instead of manually generating law reports, which is error-prone and time-consuming, Flexera automates the entire process. It pulls the data, formats it correctly, and gives you a clear view of your compliance position. Expert tip: run your SAP optimization analysis 6 months before your contract renewal. That's when you have maximum negotiation leverage. Show SAP you've cleaned up your user base and you can negotiate from a position of strength. That's day 18. Tomorrow we cover Adobe and VMware, two publishers going through major licensing changes. See you then.